ever seen. And you don't like that? You don't like that? What do you want to call yourself?
A woman.
Oh, okay. Well, these women have brought along their mothers and their sisters and even other relatives who are begging us to give them back-to-boy makeovers. I say other relatives because you have to understand the two of these, right? You see, now this is Sonia and Arthur.
Yeah.
Now, what would you say? Sister and brother? Cousins? No. You know what they are? Aunt and nephew. Same age. They're the same age. Now, although the relationship kind of extends beyond that because they grew up as best friends, and then recently Arthur moved into Sonia's house in Atlanta because he liked Atlanta, he didn't like D.C. Sonia says Arthur was always a very creative boy. He was full of surprises, but nothing could prepare her for the day that her nephew walked into her kitchen dressed as a woman. I'd say that's pretty big. So what went through your mind when you saw him like that?
I was shocked, Maury. It was like, you know, you're doing little things in the kitchen and you're doing stuff.
She was frying fish.
And all of a sudden, you know, he walks in, he told me to go to rest, and then he walks in and startled me. It was like, who's at the house? Excuse me.
Because you had never seen him dressed that way.
I had not seen him dressed as a woman before. Never.
Well, she's, ever since I've known her, let me tell you guys, she's always been in drag. Look at her. She's always been in drag. Every time we back to club, I was like, oh my God.
Why did you all of a sudden surprise your aunt like that and move down to Atlanta?
Well, I was living with her, and I thought, you know, I can't keep sneaking here 4 in the morning and lipstick and paint and stuff like that, so I had to just let her show her the right thing, because you don't want to come in at 4 in the morning and get put out. It's better to get put out at 6 in the afternoon when you know exactly where you can go.
Now, back before then, back in the past, what was he like growing up as a boy?
Well, I'll tell you this. He could comb hair, do my hair better than some women out of girlfriends.
That's simply because, see, at first I wanted to be real butch, right? And I had played football with my brothers and my cousins. They had pushed me into some dog food. So I vowed I was never playing that again. So I had to learn how to fry fish and make cookies and all those good things.
And do hair.
We can all do hair.
Jump a little rope and everything.
So we can do all of that.
And then,
I'm Dutch with it.
And well, this is some background with this guy. Then he enlists in the United States Army for 5.5 years.